Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a car made of cardboard. First, gather your materials, including large cardboard sheets, a sharp utility knife, a ruler, and a strong adhesive like hot glue or wood glue. Next, sketch out your car's design, thinking about its overall size and how the pieces will fit together. Remember to plan for structural integrity to ensure your car is sturdy. Now, let's start building the main structure. Begin by cutting and assembling the base and side panels to create the car's chassis. Use a strong adhesive to secure these pieces firmly. For added durability, reinforce all critical joints with additional layers of cardboard or strong packing tape. Carefully attach the front and rear sections, making sure everything is aligned and stable. With the main body complete, it's time for the wheels and details. You can craft 4 sturdy wheels by layering several circles of cardboard, or use pre-made cardboard wheels if available. Securely attach these to the chassis using wooden dowels or strong cardboard axles, ensuring they can rotate freely. Then, cut out and add fun details like windows, doors, and a steering wheel to bring your car to life. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Smooth out any rough edges on your cardboard car using sandpaper or by adding decorative trim pieces. Now comes the fun part, decorating. You can paint your car with vibrant acrylic paints or cover it with colorful paper and markers. Remember to let all paint and glue dry completely, which might take several hours, before proudly showcasing your amazing cardboard creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.